Alright, hi kiddos. Happy Monday. I uploaded a picture of the answers to the worksheet that you did on Friday, and I'm going to take an opportunity here to go over just a couple of each section to make sure you understood and see if there were any mistakes, because I did have some questions on it. So I'm going to zoom in here to, I don't know, maybe number 3. How about that? And if I do this right, I should be able to write on it. So, we have what percent of 140 is 42.6. This is one where we do is over of equals percent over 100. So you are looking for those key things. What percent? We don't have the percent. We do not know it. Well, the P is always the percent. So we do not know the P. Of 140 is 42.6. Okay, which one is the is? Because it goes on top. So the is 42.6. And the of is 140. And you now have that set up as a proportion because we can say it's two fractions equal to each other. And now if you remember your butterfly in this, you will go 42.6 times, I'm going to write it like this because that means multiply, times 100, and then you will divide by the one that is across from the variable there. So across from the variable is 140. So 42.6 times 100 is the first thing you would do, and hopefully you used your calculator on these because you were allowed. But basically anything times 100 is just going to be adding 2 zeros to it. Nope, take that off. 2 decimal places. Boom. Take that off. Erase, if I can. Trying, guys. Here we go. Okay, come back to it. Okay, so 42.6 times 100 is 4,260. Now divide by 140. And you get a very long number. In your calculator, you get something that goes on and on. I think it actually repeats. If you keep going, it just repeats. I was asking you to round to the 10th place. 10th place is the first decimal place. Okay, look next door. It's a 2. Remember, 5 or more would round up. Lower than 5, keep it the same. So this is a 2. It will make the 7 stay a 7. It is not big enough to make it round up. So your answer is 38.7. This is percent. I need to put my percent on there. And that's that one. Okay, let's see. Let's go to another one. I'm just going to zoom till I get to another one here. Hold on 1 minute. And trying. Let's go to, about this one. 21% of what is 62? Okay, we have 21% of what is 62. The percent is 21, always, immediately. Put that over 100. We're done with it. Okay. We do not know the of. We know the is 62, and the is goes on top. Of is missing, so you put an X. Okay, in this one's case, you would do 62 times 100. 62 times 100. And divide by 21. Alright, so that means 6,200 divided by 21. And you get another big number if I put it in. Let me double check it. Alright, you get 295. And it's very long. 0.238. That's really all I need to look at. Really not even that much. 10th place is at the 2. Okay, will it go up to a 3 or will it stay a 2? 3 is not large enough. It needs to be 5 or more. So it will stay a 2. And then your answer is 295.6. 0.2. It's not percent. We already had the percent. It's just a number. All right. See if we can get to another one. Let's see. Let's go to a different type now. Okay, write each, let's go here, write each as a percent. Okay, remember on these that you only have to move your decimal. I don't think you really need many of these, but DP, decimal to percent would go this way, and you move it twice. So if it's 1.048, I move my decimal twice, and my final answer would be 104.8%. I hope I hit the right thing there. Okay. Let's see, one more. About 82%. Well, you just move your decimal twice once again. DP. Moving it twice to the right. How did I know? Because it's percent now and it's going to a decimal. So 0.82. Okay. Next. Discard. Okay. These. Write each as a percent when it is a fraction. Okay, that means if it's going to be a percent, what will the new denominator be? That's right, 100. I hope you all said that. So that means X on top. Now you're butterflying. 1 times 100 is 100 divided by 39. And so actually that's going to end up as 0.39, I'm pretty sure. But I was wrong. Never mind. I wasn't thinking correctly. Okay, you get 2.56. Okay, this is a good one. If I want to round to the 10th place, then that 6 is more than 5. So we will make this 2.6 up 1. That's your answer. It's now percent, so to write that as a percent, put your percent sign and be done. Okay, if you have any other questions, please email me, but hopefully this helped you some. I'm going to stop there and upload it and watch it if you need it. Also, if you need to watch it over and over again, please do. Before any quiz coming up, assessment coming up, if you need to watch it, it's here for you. Don't just think if it's on one old assignment, you can't go back and rewatch it. You can. Go back to it. Okay, love y'all.